like almost 2 o'clock, but today, as you can tell by today's title, today is Sunday and it's time to reset so we can get ready for the week. And it is October. It's finally feeling like fall, or like starting to feel like fall. The leaves are turning, they're falling, so yeah, it's time to get into the spirit. But I have some stuff to do, but before I get started, I don't want to do it on an empty stomach, so let's go ahead and get some brunch. Brunch was so freaking good. But now, first things first, I'm going to go wash my clothes. And while I put my clothes in the washer, I'm going to take care of some stuff that's going on in here, like change my sheets and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get that together. I am honestly getting sick and tired of people just not getting their clothes out the washers and dryers when they're done. Like, come on now. I'm not trying to have no soggy, moldy, mildew clothes because they want to stay in the dryer because no one wants to take their clothes out the dryer. Okay, so my mom gave me some fall decorations, just a little bit, so to finally decorate my room. Just some cute little pumpkins. Got like 4 of them. Okay, now all of my clothes are finally in the dryers. Now the last thing I have to do for today, well, is to study and get these assignments done. I have 2 assignments due this week, one that's due tomorrow and then one that's due Friday, and then I have a midterm test this Thursday and then another one next Thursday. Like, it's a lot. So first things first, I want to work on the assignment that's due tomorrow. The assignment is a suspense treatment. So basically we're supposed to like write a little script using the suspense and surprise element technique called The Gift. And basically it's like this girl gets a gift from her boyfriend, right? But she thinks that it's a ring, but really it's a bomb. And he told her not to open it until he gets back, but she was too impatient. She opened it and then boom. Supposed to be like a, you know, like a short treatment, like for a 2 to 4 minute film. So I'm gonna get my thoughts together so it can flow nicely. So I basically finished the papers, only like a page and a half, but it's a little spooked. Like I was like getting scared just thinking about it, just writing about it. So I had to just put on something to watch in the background just to not get too scared. But yeah, I think it's good. We're supposed to present it tomorrow, so yeah, I think I did good. Okay, I finished my assignment. I feel so much better. Now I gotta fold these clothes, put them away, and now honestly I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Like today has been a long day, but I haven't even done much. Like that's crazy. Like ugh, whatever. Okay y'all, so that will be it for today's Sunday reset. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.